Hello guys, today we are seeing a crude oil tank container we made for the Chinese railway company. Is having the outside shell inside and have the something in the middle to keep the temperature, and we use the stainless steel belt to fix the outer shell on the outside to keep the water, to keep the temperature glass wall inside, to make sure the tank has the ability to maintain the degree inside. Here is the steam pipe. I call it steam pipe because sometimes the temperature is pretty cold. We need to use steam to warm the tank up, to get the tank warm enough, the liquid inside could liquefy, so it can be dumped through that dumping box. We can check it later. Here we can see the stainless steel belt has been connected here. Once you go through all the tank and fasten it here with that bolt, we put a glass wall or something else like a fiberglass something to keep the temperature, and then we ruined the dash end like this. This is probably the nameplate. You can put the container nameplate information, tare weight, size here for the checking. Here is the gauge. The gauge said seismometer, so it's a temperature meter, and we can see the temperature. This is the minus 40. The black is Celsius. The red color is Fahrenheit. So it has two different standards to check. Okay, this is the discharge port. We have a huge, I think it's a butterfly vibe at there, and we have cover at the outside. It's pretty dirty. I won't touch it. We can see quite clear from here. Here we have a very small, I think it's an air cylinder to help this lift up easier and close up softly. We have a steel wire here. Okay, that's probably a safety device to connect with this steel wire up to here. Okay, I have no idea what this for, but yeah, let's take this in this video. Here we have a small pipe over here. I believe this pipe is try to dumping the water inside, because inside it's empty. You can hear the voice. It's not solid. This is solid. This is sounds like something inside keeping the temperature. Here we have a ladder. We can go to the top. Let's go to the top and have a look. Okay, now we're on the top. It's pretty hot on the top, and I opened that cover first before I took this video. It's burned my fingers. Here is a handle, a very thoughtful design. When I climb up, I can put my hand there, try to grab myself to the top. Same as the other one. Good design. We can actually try to walk on the top of the tank. Then you can feel the soft here. You can feel the burn from the sun. Here is the, I think it's a manhole and the safety gauge and some other things. I have no idea because I haven't read the specification yet. This is aluminum manhole, very high level, but if you want to open it, it probably takes a lot of time, so we won't open it today. All right, and that's a cover on the top. It's made by aluminum, very light, but in the weather like today, It's bloody hot. Okay. All right, hot. Okay, burn my another hand. Now we close it. On the four corners, we have the same corner casting, and this is aluminum catwalking. We have 3 of them. One is to the other end. Oh, we have 4 of them. 2 is horizontal, another 2 is like this. Okay, let me get off. Okay guys, I think that's enough for today's video to see this crude oil tank. Hope you guys like our video today. If you like our channel, please subscribe or click the like button at the bottom to help us. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Good weather today.